Welcome to Catholic Mom Mindset, a daily show where you learn to walk closely with the Holy Spirit so you can live the life God is calling you to. I'm your host, Sterling Jaquith. Let us begin. Welcome back. Today I want to talk about a sentence I use to help me stay calm when my husband or my kids are having a strong reaction to something. When another person has a strong reaction to something, it's very easy for that to put you in a fight or flight state. So if they are angry, if they are crying, if they are screaming at the top of their lungs, and if your body perceives that there is danger and it goes into a fight or flight state, your reaction probably won't be optimal. I'll just say that. And your problem-solving skills are pretty much fly out the window at that point. And so I like to have this thought, he's having an experience. Or if I'm looking at my daughter, she's having an experience right now. What it does is it just puts a little bit of space between you and the person, and it helps your brain know, hey, I'm safe. I also just straight up tell my brain that I'm safe. But you can look at that other person and you can just tell yourself, he's having an experience right now. He may be very angry. She may be very sad. He may be very hurt. And again, this goes for both husbands and kids, maybe even bosses. I don't know. I've never had a boss really lose it on me or in front of me. But it also helps you understand that it's not about you. I think it helps us drop into charity a little bit. Wow, this person is having a very strong experience right now. And it's very unpleasant. It does not feel good to be this person right now. And we can all empathize with that. And this is one of the sentences that I use to stay calm in an intense situation. And I think it's one thing that seasoned moms learn along the way is that not every baby cry, not every kid I fell down and scraped my knee cry warrants a fight or flight response. We just learn to add a little buffer in there, a little just, let's check in and see what's going on. And when you're a new mom and a baby cries, or your first 2-year-old falls and scrapes his knee, you have this lurching feeling. You react quickly and strongly. Have you ever yelled at a kid for falling down and scraping his knee? It's because you're having a fight or flight response. That kid falling and scraping his knee just triggers you, and then you're like, what were you doing? Right? And then you're like, oh, but maybe my first response should have been hey, baby boy, are you okay? Let me kiss that. And then from a place of calmness and love, we can say, maybe what we were doing right there wasn't the best thing. This is just how our brains work, folks. But what I want to help you with, my hope for you, is that you can learn how to have peace in any storm. And this is what I mean. With a storming husband, with a loud baby, with a screechy 3-year-old, with a 5-year-old who's very angry. I'm sure this is true even to the teen years, where we just watch them and we think, they're having an experience right now, just like a human experience. I am safe. If you can get yourself to stay calm, you will respond to that person so much better. And you will problem solve so much better. And this is what we desire, mamas. We desire peace. We desire that more than anything else, because if we really had that, it would mean that we were walking closely with the Lord. And everything else pales in comparison to that.
So I hope that helps you the next time you're in an intense situation with anyone, really, but particularly your immediate family. I love you. I'm praying for you. Thank you so much for listening, and have a blessed day.
I hope you enjoyed this episode of Catholic Mom Mindset. To learn more about growing closer to the Holy Spirit, check out our free resources at madeforgreatness.co. Thank you so much for listening, and have a blessed day.